Kodak M753, how to remove the battery if it gets stuck. So sometimes these cameras, if this piece here, this orange piece comes loose, you will not be able to take your battery out. So I'm going to show you a way to get it out. So for my camera, it still works, so the battery still comes out. But if you're missing this piece here, or if the battery won't come out, this is a way you can get it out without damaging the camera at all. So you're going to need 2 flathead screwdrivers. I got 2 right here. If you don't have one, small ones like this, I can add a link in the description so you can get some. So the way you would do it to get the battery out, you would just either hold this if you still got it. Obviously it's popping out, so it's no problem, but you will hold that with that screwdriver, and then with this one you will slowly go around and keep going around until you finally get the battery out like that. Okay, so very simple. You just you're gonna hold it here so that you're getting this tab out of the way, the spring's not working, and then with this one you're just going to go all around and keep prying it out little by little, and this works and the battery will come out for you. And that's the way you do it, that's the way it comes out. For my camera it still works, but there's a lot of cameras where the spring mechanism doesn't work, or they're missing this piece, this breaks off, and that's how you get the battery out from the Kodak M753. You just need 2 flathead screwdrivers. That's all. Hope you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up.